Off with the old and on with the new. These are steel pegs that come with the Kooz. I'm gonna lighten it up a little bit, and then these are a little bit bigger. Got them on Amazon, pretty good quality. Hell yeah, let's do it. All right, so I did have to sand down the ends of them on the belt sander because I've got a full-blown shop in there right now, but yeah, it is what it is. You can't make everything universal, so. All right, there you go. Springs back. Now, they did say to put this part over on that side and make the little straight part hooked up on that side. I couldn't get it. I tried and tried and tried. I flipped it around. Still does the same thing. All right, let's take a peek at the Kooz. Got them done on both sides. A little bit of dropping some weight and adding some bling. Those things come in different colors. They come in blue, red, silver, green, purple. I think so. I saw a bunch of colors. I'm not sure if it's in that order, but yeah, it looks good. A little bit bigger. It does come with extra screw-in little studs. So if you lose one, I highly recommend taking some Loctite and Loctite all of them. That's probably why they give you more, because if they fall out, well, I think you only get like 3 or 4 of those things. Let me see. They're giving you 1, 2, 3. They're giving you 6 extras. But I tell you what, it's a whole lot lighter than these steel ones. Because with the Kooz, everything is steel. Steel frame, steel swing arm. The only thing that's not steel is the handlebar. The handlebar isn't. But I'll do some upgrades to lighten it up a little bit. But you can see this high power magnet doesn't stick there. Sticks right to the frame. Sticks right to the swing arm. Not on the pegs though. Oh, rims too. So we got steel rims too. We will upgrade as we go. Now I did thought that I would have to grind this down as much as that one. Well, come to find out, everything's not the same, not equal. These are machined correctly, but as you mass produce these things, when they drilled the hole on that one, it wasn't exactly the same spot as the other peg, so therefore the peg was it was sitting way too low like this. So when I ground it, when it stops where the ground, where I was grinding it stopped, you would think it'd be the same symmetrical on the other side, but it didn't work out that way. So the peg was actually sitting down and it wasn't matching straight out, nice and level. So what we had to do, I had to take my TIG torch, weld on just a little bit of buildup. You can see the buildup there. So therefore, when it swings down, it'll stop and hit that metal on that buildup, and then should be level. So I'm gonna go ahead and test it now and see what happens. Okay, as you can see, from there to the other side, pretty parallel. And then you can see what I'm talking about. See where the buildup, see how it's touching right there? It comes in and touches. So the buildup was just enough to stop it right there. So when it stops right there, this is level. Because before, like I said, it was hanging down. It was looking really strange. I'll put the spring back on, but I think we're good. Kind of sucks that we have to do this for really nice pegs, but again, you know, when they say it's universal, you're gonna have to make it universal with these Chinese bikes. I used Use my Lincoln Electric TIG welding machine with some 53-56 rod. Went with that. This stuff's a little bit harder than the 40-43. Hell yeah, it's looking good. Looks super good. And you're probably wondering, oh, what's this about? What's that aluminum about? Well, the next project, we're going to make an aluminum kickstand, since they decided to do everything on this bike in steel. You can see that steel. This is aluminum. So we're going to drop more weight. I'm going to figure out how to drop more weight. I'm going to make an aluminum kickstand out of this aluminum pipe. I think it's about 1/4 inch thick, maybe 3/16. But we're going to polish this up, make an aluminum kickstand. Should be fun. But I got to get the spring on there. And that looks just like the other side. Hell yeah.